There's going to be a lot of fish incomplete percentiles and dissatisfaction है, whether it's on 92, 88, even 60 or 70. And I understand that. काफ़ी मेहनत करी थी तुम लोगों ने, उसके बाद भी percentile नहीं आई है due to panic reasons, due to wrong chapters being asked. We'll talk about every single thing and what you should actually fix, what you should actually do for second attempt so that तुम्हारा जो सपना है, तुम्हारा जो गोल था कि हाँ मेरे मार्क्स इतने होने चाहिए, वो तुम प्रॉपरली कर पाओ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इंसान ढीला पड़ता है जान के बाद. 100% ऑफ द टाइम 99% पीपल बहुत ढीले पड़ जाएंगे जान अटेम्प्ट के रिजल्ट के बाद. एंड इनफैक्ट उससे पहले भी कि ओ माय गॉड आई जस्ट डोंट वांट टू स्टडी एनीमोर. एंड दैट इज ट्रू विथ यू एज वेल. दैट वाज ट्रू फॉर मी एज वेल. मैं तो बिल्कुल ही ढीला पड़ गया था एंड आई वाज नॉट स्टडिंग एट ऑल. आई वाज फुली डन विद जेई and that actually cost me a lot. So I want to tell you this, because you have not scored in JAN attempt as well according to your goals or whatever, you have to make sure that tum dheele na pado. You have to make sure that you are still working for 8, 10, 11 hours a day. You have to keep studying because maybe you have boards as well. So definitely you need to be the one to manage your time. You cannot let go at this exact moment. 2 months, only 2 months. अगर सिर्फ 2 महीने तुमने मेहनत कर ली, दैट इज गोइंग टू मेक अ वर्ल्ड ऑफ डिफरेंस टू यू. एंड आई कैन गारंटी यू दिस कि हाँ भाई अच्छे कॉलेजेस में डिफरेंट आता है, अच्छे कॉलेजेस और बेकार कॉलेजेस में डिफरेंस आता है. वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू यैप अबाउट दैट स्किल्स आर नेसेसरी. आई एब्सोल्युटली अंडरस्टैंड दैट, बट द 4 years that you're going to spend in a college matter a lot. प्लीज मेहनत करना, ओके? ढीले मत पड़ना. And April attempt is going to be harder than Jan attempt. I think every single person has been telling you this, because people have almost 3 more months to prepare for this exam. There are going to be more people preparing for this exam as well. Therefore, I want to make sure that तुम्हारे दिमाग में घुस जाए कि हाँ तुम ढीला नहीं पड़ सकते, because April attempt is going to be harder than Jan already. So you need to be tougher than Jan and April attempt both. If April is tougher than Jan, you have to be tougher than April. I know बहुत ही weird analogy है सोचने के लिए, लेकिन you have to be. There is no choice if you actually want marks on this. The third point is going to be, if you have boards, please go to my previous video so that you can recognize every single thing that you need to know about cracking JEE and boards at the same time. Okay, let's move on to a new point. Since it is April, more people are going to have knowledge about more shit as well, because earlier I was saying 70 to 80% syllabus needs to be on your tips, but I want you to attempt for 90% now, because more people are going to be giving this exam as April, more people who are going to have more precision, and you need to make sure that you're ahead of the competition always. Therefore, make sure that you are doing maximum syllabus possible. Some chapters you want to leave, that's fine. They are weak. It happens to everyone. But you have to make sure कि most chapters में तुम्हारे पास decent grip हो कि मैं JEE main से question कर पाऊँ at least, if not advanced, because advanced तो करना अलग ही बात है. One shots, I am damn sure that you have already realized what one shots are and what that reality of one shots are. Please do not do them. If there's any chapter that you find lacking, if there's any chapter you need more conceptual depth in, please refer to actual lectures, actual problem solving, not PYQ series, one shot series and bullshit like that, because that does not help you genuinely, specifically in JEE, where you'll think, oh my god, I need to have more resources. Every single person in 11th is going to think, I need to do this book, that book, which book should I actually use? The simple fact is, if you're using 3 resources and you're using them consistently and well, there's nothing that can stop you. But that is what most people don't do, because हम लोग घूमते रहते हैं कि अरे क्या करना चाहिए, अब यहाँ पे ये स्किप कर लेते हैं, यहाँ पे ये वाले टीचर से नहीं पढ़ना है, इधर पढ़ना है. अगर तुम एक जगह कंसिस्टेंट हो गए, दैट इज इनफ. प्लीज बी कंसिस्टेंट अब अप्रैल के लिए. Lastly, I want to reassure you कि मेरे को 1 साल हो गया अपना JEE दिए हुआ है. It has been 1 year since I've given my JEE. It has been almost 1 year for my JEE that I prepared. So I want to tell you that you will not remember this time a lot. Genuinely speaking, 1 year later, you might not even remember कि तुमने इस एग्जाम के लिए कितनी मेहनत करी है, how much you have sacrificed for this exam. So you need to actually put in most efforts possible in these 2 months. Okay, you're not going to remember it a lot, because genuinely you're going to have a lot of fun, and I will tell you that yes, you will have a lot of fun without guilt of JEE, because right now when you go out, you have guilt. Okay. मेक श्योर कि अभी जितना पढ़ रहे हो अच्छे से पढ़ो, पूरा अच्छे से लगाओ अपनी मेहनत, एंड सेकेंड अटेम्प्ट के लिए यू ऑलरेडी नो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू. देयर इज नथिंग एक्सेप्शनली न्यू दैट आई कैन और एनीवन कैन टेल यू. तो जो मेहनत बची है उसको करो. उसके अलावा वीडियोस चैनल पे आती रहेंगी, सब्सक्राइब फॉर दैट, एंड इट इज जनरली गोइंग टू हेल्प यू. बट मेक श्योर दैट यू आर एटलीस्ट डूइंग योर पार्ट वेल. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.